that $700 wagon out of your cart right now, because I just found this baby for an actual fraction of the cost. I mean, look how gorgeous she is. I have to give you a closer look. WF who, because look at all this storage here. This thing is huge, and you usually have to buy that thing separately. This is one that you can push as a stroller, or it even comes with a wagon handle on the front of it. I'm loving these brown leather accents that they added. It is definitely giving bougie mom. They even gave us 2 built-in cup holders. The one I got seats 4, and there is so much space in here. And these are even 5-point harnesses. They're getting their own little compartments for tablets or toys, and they have cup holders. There's even a couple more cup holders on the front of it. I've learned the hard way that not every stroller is compatible with nap time. This one is. This is locked in place by buckles on the bottom. It comes with a beautiful adjustable canopy, and this is the upgraded version, so you're getting nets on all sides. Of course, if you don't want the nets, they can actually zip into the canopy, which is genius. This handle can be adjusted to your height by pushing the buttons on the side. This is incredible. The quality is insane. There's no reason you should be spending almost $1,000 on a wagon. If you or another parent were even thinking about it, let this be your sign. I don't think you can even beat the price right now. I'll do my best to link it in the video if they're in stock.